Hey, do you wish the price was right a little more often in your portfolio? If so, stick around, because this episode can make that wish a reality. On September 4th, 1972, The Price is Right premiered. American households tuned in to a game show that would become a cornerstone of daytime television. Hosted by the endlessly affable Bob Barker, The Price is Right wasn't just about luck. It was about knowing the market, making calculated choices, and keeping your cool under pressure. Contestants bid to guess the actual retail price of everything from lawnmowers to luxury vacations, weaving basic economic sense with the drama of possibility. In its first decade alone, the show revolutionized the genre, proof that success isn't always about dazzling innovation, but about doing the basics brilliantly and with a bit of sparkle. Today, half a century later, The Price is Right continues to thrive, teaching generations about the perils and potential of making decisions with incomplete information, and reminding us sometimes coming closest without going over is the surest route to a win. Here then are 4 lessons for the modern investor from The Price is Right and its enduring appeal. First up, know the real value, not just the hype. The central challenge of The Price is Right is separating sticker shock from substance. Wise investors face the same dilemma. Is that surging market or that hot stock worth the price you're being asked to pay? Chasing trends or ignoring fundamentals, i.e., the retail value of a company or asset, can leave you at the risk of overbidding. So you need discipline and you need research, not just enthusiasm. That'll help you ensure that you don't wind up paying more than an investment is truly worth. Second, success is about edges, not extremes. If you remember the show, the winner is often the cautious participant, one who bids closest to the actual price without crossing the line. In markets, the same logic applies. Risky bets and maximalist moves make headlines, but portfolios are built for stability, or they should be. A diversified, measured approach, rather than betting the farm or chasing the penny stocks, tends to outperform wild speculation over time. Being right enough beats being wildly right one day and wildly wrong the next. This episode of the History Lessons podcast is sponsored by Victory Independent Planning. Hey, are you ready to take the stress out of your retirement? At Victory Independent Planning, we put you on the right trajectory with our exclusive VIP retirement glide path. Our smart approach prepares you for what's next by optimizing your sources of savings and income, your medical and healthcare planning, your advanced estate and giving strategies, risk management and investing, and tax planning. Let us help you glide into retirement with confidence. Text Glide Path to 239-567-5477. That's Glide Path, all one word, small letter G, to 239-567-5477 and receive a link to schedule a complimentary consultation. Do it today to start your journey on the VIP retirement glide path, because your future deserves a safe landing. Third lesson, adapt on the fly, but keep your anchor. Contestants on The Price is Right are constantly adapting, reading cues and watching their competitors to adjust their bids. Modern investors, too, need to stay agile because, well, markets move, economic landscapes shift, and new information emerges daily. But don't lose sight of your core strategy or let noise dictate every decision. Yes, adaptability matters, but only if it's tethered to an anchor of sound principles and clear goals. Last, enjoy the game, but don't be ruled by emotion. There's plenty of cheering, heartbreak, and drama when that last price is revealed. But the best players and the best investors know the difference between excitement and reason. Emotional investing, like emotional bidding, often leads to regret. So celebrate your wins, learn from the losses, and help control the stray impulses that can wreak havoc on your portfolio. Final thought here. In the end, the Price is Right secret wasn't just giving away new cars, although that was pretty cool. It was making sound strategy entertaining and rewarding humanity as much as bravado. In investing, as on the big stage, fortune tends to favor those who do their homework, who respect the rules, and who know when to leave room under the price tag. Next time you're tempted to chase the next showcase, remember, true wealth is less about guessing correctly once and more about playing the game for a long time.